Debbie here with Debbie's Mind's Happy Place. I'd like to welcome you and thank you for stopping by. Today we're going to be doing this beautiful watermelon wreath. I'm going to be using the woodland curl method to do this wreath and combining it with a bunch of cute watermelon ribbons and this cute little sign that says welcome in the middle. So let's get to the video. Next we're going to make a watermelon wreath using the woodland curl. And I have these cute signs that I got off of Amazon. And the one says, Happy Summer. And the other one says, Welcome. So I think on this one, I'm going to use the one that says, Welcome. So I'm going to use this one first. And so I have two things of red mesh and green mesh. And then I have these 4 ribbons that have watermelon decor on them that I got off of Amazon. And so I'm going to be using them for this wreath. And the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to tie red and green pipe cleaners onto my wreath. And we're going to alternate them. So on the inside, we're going to alternate them. So we're going to do a red one and then a green one on the inner 2 wires of my frame. And then on the outer rung, I'm going to do 1 green and then 1 red. You see, I got all of them on there. So next I'm going to take and cut my mesh. This is a piece of cardboard that I cut and it's 10 inches long. So I'm going to do 9 green and 9 red. Because I have 6 sections on my wreath. And I'm going to cut these 10 by 20 for my woodland curl. That's 1. Next, I'm going to start making my woodland curls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my scissors on the one end. I'm going to curl this end over like so, and then start pinching it together. And then when I get to the other end, I'm going to fold it over, roll it over like so, and pinch it together, making my curl. Then I'm going to put it on one of my green pipe cleaners and twist it around. There's one. Next, I'm going to take a red one, do the same thing, and you can just like twist it over on the one end and clip it so that you're ready for it when you get there. And roll it around on the other end and then start pinching it together until you get to the other end, making your curl just like so, and then attaching it to your frame. Next, I'm going to do another red one. Curling over the one end and making a curl on the end, and making a curl on the other end, and then pinching it together just like so, and making a woodland curl, and then attaching it to your frame. Now we're going to do that all the way around. You have it. Next, we're going to take our ribbons and we're going to cut 4 of each, 12 inches long. Two, 3, 4, and the first 2 I'm going to cut 5, and the last 2 I'm going to cut 4 because we have 18 spots. So once you do that, then you're going to take all your edges of your ribbon, place them together, fold them over like that, and cut at an angle to make little triangles on the end of your ribbon. Do it on the other side just to make it pretty. And we're going to do that with all 4 of our ribbon. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take and put these on each one of our little rungs. Starting with this one, we're just going to start at some point wherever we want to start and go all the way around. So we're going to put one of these in there. We're going to fold it in half pinch it together in the middle, turn it into a V, and tie it on. To our wreath, to our pipe cleaner on each one of our little ruffles, and then we're going to tuck the pipe cleaner down below so nobody can see it. We'll do that on each ruffle. So next, fold it in half, pinch it together, make it into a V, and tie it down. Those were both outside. The next one we're going to do to the inside. So then we're going to tie it, we're going to tuck it down underneath, hide it away. Do the next one, fold it in half, pinch it together, make it into a V. Do this one to the inside because it's an inside ruffle, and tie it down, maybe with the pipe cleaner. Tuck it away. And go all the way around your frame. That makes a pretty watermelon wreath. Now we're going to put the middle thing into the middle for the last touch. And to put this on, I'm simply going to use some wire. So I'm going to tuck it kind of down in there. Kind of down in there. And I'm going to use some little wire. I'm just going to cut me 2 pieces off. And voila. There it is. It's so pretty. I love this one. It's so simple and so pretty. And that is my woodland wreath. I think it turned out so pretty. It's a cute watermelon wreath.